Hey there, and welcome to my 30 plus million digital products bundle review. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a massive digital vault that helps you create, resell, and profit from done-for-you content, even if you've never made a single product in your life. Here's what makes it exciting. No product creation, no designers, no time wasted. Just open the vault, pick what you need, and start selling or creating viral content instantly. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the available upgrades, OTOs, so you can make a fully informed decision before investing. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the past 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm passionate about helping people find tools that actually move the needle. If that sounds like your thing, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a game-changing update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you when you grab the 30 plus million digital products bundle through my link below. These are custom crafted to help you profit faster. You'll find all the details in the description. Grab them before they're gone. So, what exactly is the 30 plus million digital products bundle? The 30 plus million digital products bundle is a mind-blowing all-in-one library that gives you viral reels, social media content, stock assets, graphic templates, website themes, Notion templates, PLR ebooks and articles, AI tools, video editing assets, and more. It's perfect for anyone looking to sell digital products, grow a content brand, build authority, or save a ton of time creating assets. Even if you're a complete beginner, everything is ready-made. Just plug it in and start profiting. This isn't some sketchy shortcut. The value is real, and if you use it smartly, it can become a serious moneymaker. Key features that stand out: over 20,000 plus viral reels, travel, luxury, fitness, motivation, and more. Huge Canva and Photoshop graphics bundle, full resell and rebranding rights. Build your own store or sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your website courses and templates. Learn and earn at the same time. AI bundles and swipe files. Write better. Create faster. Millions of PLR ebooks, your articles. Perfect for lead magnets, content, or reselling. How it works. Super simple. 1. Download the bundle. 2. Pick what you need. Reels, graphics, ebooks, etc. 3. Customize or resell as is. 4. Use them to grow your brand or sell for instant profits. It's beginner friendly, insanely flexible, and designed to get you results fast. Insert your screen recorded walkthrough of the bundle contents or a visual demo of the folders, assets, or templates here. Upgrades, OTOs. Here's what's available. Once you grab the main bundle, you'll unlock some powerful optional upgrades. Here's a quick breakdown. Bump offer, digital prompts, bundle, boost your content with 300 plus viral prompt ideas. OTO 1, content creation super bundle, even more reels, templates, and branding tools. OTO 2, mega PLR vault V2, unlock millions of extra articles, ebooks, and monetizable content. OTO 3, DFY monetization kit. Templates, guides, and DFY funnels to start selling instantly. Pick what fits your goals. Skip what you don't need. Simple and scalable. What I really like about it: no tech headaches. Just download, customize, use or sell. Total flexibility. Sell on Etsy. Use for clients. Build your own info products. Save months of work. Everything's ready to go. Incredible value for money. It's like buying a mansion of digital assets for the price of a door. It's a dream bundle for creators and marketers. But if you're looking for advanced software tools or high-end development, this isn't for you. This is more for content creation, PLR, and digital selling. Final verdict: is it worth it? If you're building a personal brand, running an agency, flipping PLR, or just want to flood your business with high-quality digital assets, this bundle is 100% worth grabbing. Click the link below to grab your copy. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. You won't find them anywhere else. Thanks for watching my 30 plus Million Digital Products Review. If you found this helpful, drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for more no fluff real talk reviews. See you in the next one.